Hello everyone, welcome to the Life of Informative, episode number 3. In this video, I want to intimate you some interesting topics, unknown facts, and also some psychological facts. Besides this video, I have also done some videos about interesting topics in Telugu. If you want to see those, then check my description. So, let's begin our video. Parle-G biscuits. These are the biscuits which are worldwidely most buying biscuits. Approximately 50 crores packets will be sold every day. This means 800 packets are going to be open within 1 minute. What do you think the most deadliest poison in the world? The most deadliest poison is cyanide. Do you know that in an apple which we eat every day, it is also having cyanide in their seeds, but it is in very low quantity. Our body can control that much of cyanide. Then what amount of apple seeds can kill a human being? It is approximately 120 seeds can kill a 50 kg of person. Remove the seeds as well as possible. It is a small request. Before entering into next fact, a small request. If you are visiting first time to my channel, then please subscribe. Do you ever heard about loudest bird in the world? See the white bell bird. It is the loudest bird in the world. The sound which is produced by this bird, it is recorded as 125 decibel units. If you hear this sound very close to you, it may be a chance to lose your hearing. Just listen the bird's voice. Let's see a comment below who are very interested in this type of facts. In this corona pandemic situation, we have suffered a lot about our face mask. Here I am explaining about a new facial mask which is very efficiently works on avoiding microorganisms. We can use this mask anytime and anywhere. It is made with lightweight and also integrated technology like microphones used to talk with others. This type of masks are very useful to the doctors who are helping us in these corona times. This mask is very less effective compared to the normal mask. If it provided by good support, I think it will be a good invention in 2020. Plants. These are the things which were essentially required for our survival. We are all well know that plants have life. They can respond to the heat, light and touch. Besides all this, scientists are saying that plants can also be here. University of Western Australia has successfully proven that plants can also be here and they can grow along the way of water flowing. Why the condoms are having flavor? The multinational companies having a view of improving their products and also add some flavors to it. The particular flavor of an condom can increase the experience at that time. So the companies make flavor to the condom. Do you know supermodel Bella Hadid? She is the most beautiful woman in the world according to the science, because her face is 94.3% perfect according to the science. For suppose if you leave the earth at the age of 15 in a spaceship at the speed of light and spend 5 years in that spaceship, when you get back to the earth you will be 20 years old. But your friends who were 15 at the age when you left the earth, they will become as 65 years old man. The scientists are saying that the people who get goosebumps while listening to the music have a special mental condition that makes them extremely emotional to a certain kind of situation and having a special kind of stimulus to the environment. Do you ever think about what is the most deadliest insect in the world? That is mosquito. Yes, the mosquito is the insect is responsible for spreading deadliest diseases like chikungunya, diarrhea, etc. Once upon a time, chikungunya has a terrible experience in the people, so keep avoid them. Danny Gianito is a person in the New York City, USA. He has accused by a drunken drive case, but he told that he does not drunken alcohol, but breath analyzer test that he has drunken alcohol. After that, doctors were shocked by the results. Danny's stomach preparing its own alcohol. This disease is called Otto Brewery syndrome. Bear Grylls, the person who don't need any introduction. He is very popular with the shows called Man vs Wild. Do you know the salary of an Bear Grylls? According to an interview, Bear Grylls' net worth is estimated to be $20 million as of 2020. That means he is taking $30,000 per episode. When it is converted into Indian rupees, 148 crores he is taking per his worth. In Indian rupees, 22 lakhs he is taking per one episode. What do you think the most powerful hunter in the world? We think that lion or cheetah, but we think like this means we are wrong. The most powerful hunter in the world is dragonfly. Yes, dragonfly can hunt 95% of accuracy, whereas lion is 25% as well as cheetah is 60%. An average of 6.5 MB per second net speed we are getting in India. But do you know that the internet speed of NASA is 91 GB per second? Three Gorges Dam, it is in China. The dam is 2.3 kilometers wide and 630 feet height. The dam is world's largest hydroelectric dam in the world. This dam have one speciality. Suppose this dam have full of water means that can change the time of rotation of the earth. That means this dam can store 39.3 billion meter cube of water. That's all about today. Take a comment below which fact do you like most. If you are visiting first time to my channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest information. Thanks for watching my video.